Hi poets! This is a quick demonstration so you know how to correctly submit Google Docs when you share them with other people in class. So when your document is ready to share, you click on the blue share button in the upper right corner. And the thing that confuses most people is they want to add people in groups here because this is at the top of the page. But this is not what you want to use. You want to go down to general access. And this is really critical. You have to remember to do this every time that you want to share a Google Doc. And you change the setting from restricted to anyone with the link. If you keep it restricted, when you share the link to your Google Doc, nobody will be able to access it. We'll have to email you for permission. So make sure you choose anyone with the link. And then over here at the right, you have the option for what kind of access your viewers have. And for this class, you want people to have commenter access so that each of us, when we look at your document, we can make comments in the margins to give you feedback on your poems. So anyone with the link, and then choose commenter over here at the right, and then you're going to choose copy link. And then you'll go back to the area where you are sharing your document, and you will just paste the link in this class. Most often the way you'll be sharing your links is in discussions for poetry workshop. So you'll just copy your link into the poetry workshop for the rest of us. When you're creating your final portfolio, you will probably not use links. You might use a drag and drop to get your documents into the portfolio, but we'll cover more about that later. The other key here to keep in mind is it's going to be really important how you name your documents so that you can keep track of them, and so that as you're putting your portfolio together, you know which documents you're looking for. So maybe you want to use a numbering system, maybe week 1 poem, week 2 poem, however you want to name things so that you can find them easily later this quarter. Don't name everything poem because you'll be really confused as you try to find and make use of your documents throughout the quarter. Okay, I hope that helps, and I hope this works for everyone. Thanks.